Years ago, humans got dopamine after doing hard things: hunting, building, learning, creating. But today, dopamine is everywhere. You can get massive dopamine from scrolling social media, junk food, gaming, pornography. Each of these gives your brain huge rewards for doing absolutely nothing. And when that happens, everything real starts to feel boring. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain is addicted to constant stimulation, and it's destroying your ability to build anything meaningful. But today, that ends. Because in this video, I'm going to break down the dopamine detox method that actually works, the one that resets your brain and brings your discipline back. Let's start with step 1. Remove cheap dopamine. The first step to resetting your brain is simple. Remove cheap dopamine. Cheap dopamine is the kind of reward that gives you instant pleasure without any effort. Social media scrolling, junk food, gaming, constant phone checking. Each of these gives your brain instant rewards for doing nothing. And the more your brain gets used to these instant rewards, the harder it becomes to focus on anything important. That's exactly why someone can watch videos for hours, but can't focus on work for 10 minutes. So first, remove the biggest sources of cheap stimulation. Maybe it's late night scrolling, pornography, mindless phone checking, whatever's stealing your focus without giving you anything real in return. Just remove the sources for at least 14 days. No mindless scrolling, no constant stimulation, because the moment cheap dopamine disappears, something powerful begins to happen, and the things that once felt boring start becoming meaningful again. Step 2. Learn to be bored. One of the biggest problems in the modern world is that people have forgotten how to be bored. The moment they feel it, they reach for their phone. And that's exactly why focus, creativity, and deep thinking are disappearing. Boredom isn't the enemy. Boredom is the reset button of the brain. When your mind isn't constantly stimulated, dopamine levels slowly rebalance and your attention span starts recovering. So stop escaping boredom. Take walks without your phone. Sit quietly for a few minutes without any entertainment. Let your mind wander instead of reaching for your phone. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. Your brain will crave stimulation. That's normal, because boredom is where focus is rebuilt, and focus is where meaningful work begins. Step 3. Earn your dopamine. Your brain doesn't need less dopamine. It needs better dopamine, the kind that comes after effort. When you work hard and finish a task, that's earned dopamine. When you push through discomfort and see progress, that's earned dopamine. When you create something instead of consuming, that's earned dopamine. But scrolling for hours, that's stolen dopamine. Your brain got the reward without doing anything. And the more you steal, the less satisfaction you feel from anything real. Here's how you fix it. Do something difficult first. Finish a workout, complete a task, learn a skill, create something meaningful. And only after you've done the work, give yourself a small reward. Watch a movie, scroll for 10 minutes, enjoy something you actually deserve, but only after you've earned it. Because when you do this, your brain starts to learn one thing. Dopamine comes after effort, not before. And once your brain learns that rule, everything starts to change. And here's the truth. The modern world is designed to keep you distracted. Every scroll, every notification, every video is fighting for your attention. But the moment you take control of your dopamine, you take control of your life. This isn't a quick fix. This is a system that rewires your brain from the inside. And the people who follow it don't just feel better, they become sharper, more focused, more dangerous. Because discipline isn't something you're born with. It's something you build through the habits you practice every single day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the